Hi, this is Design Guy. Want to create eye-catching food posters? I'll show you step by step in Canva. Click the Create button, then select Poster from the available options to start designing your new poster project. Select the Portrait Style option to apply a vertical layout to your content. This format is ideal for mobile devices or social media posts, enhancing presentation and readability. Choose Portrait to get started. Find the food element in your menu or library. Once you locate it, click on the graphic to select it. Choose the salad option by clicking it. This will add the selected salad graphic to your project, ready for further customization or placement within your design. Click the plus button to add a new post. We'll use this post to promote a featured vegetable for the week. Click the Effects button to open the Effects menu. Next, select Add Curve from the list of available effects. Once the curve effect is added, adjust the curve as needed by dragging the points or handles to shape the effect to your preference. Use these controls to create your desired curved appearance. Let's try to reduce the file size by adjusting the compression settings. You can also add a background color to your project. To do this, look for the background settings in your editing menu. Click on the background color option to open the color picker. Choose the color you want by clicking on it, or enter a specific hex code if you have one. Once you've selected your desired color, confirm your choice to apply it. Your background will now display in the color you've chosen. Place the image here, then click the Position button. Look for the Layers option and select it. Now you can choose this image from the list of available layers to make further adjustments. Reduce the size of the element slightly, then drag it to position it exactly in the center area. You can also add additional elements such as food or base ingredients by selecting them from the toolbar and placing them on the canvas. To add this element, click on the Insert menu, select the desired element, and drag it to your preferred location on the page. On the side of the screen, locate the panel labeled This. Use your mouse to click on the This panel to expand it and reveal its available options. Once expanded, review the options that appear and select the one that best fits your current needs or workflow. Click the Start button to begin. This will launch the program and initialize all necessary components. Check that everything loads correctly before proceeding to the next step in the process. Click the Layer menu, then choose Send to Back to move the object behind other elements. Next, select the object and adjust its color using the color picker or palette to match your desired appearance for your design. Select the text you want to edit. Click the Formatting menu above. Then choose your preferred style to apply formatting to your selection. We will use special text for this task. Special text allows you to highlight important information or instructions within your document. To apply special text, select the desired portion, then choose the special text option from the Formatting menu. This will make your selected text stand out, ensuring it captures attention and serves its intended purpose effectively. Select this option, then drag it slightly to adjust its position. Click the Duplicate button here to copy the element. Once you're satisfied with your design, you can easily duplicate any element. Select the element you want to copy, then use the Duplicate option to create an exact copy in your layout. Rearrange or modify the new element as needed to perfect your design. When you're happy with the final result, simply click the Share button located at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Choose your preferred file format and resolution settings, then confirm by clicking the Download button to save your completed project to your device. To achieve the best print quality, select PDF Print as your format. For professional printing, choose the CMYK color option. Finally, click the Download button to save your file in the correct settings. Now you know how to design a stunning food poster in Canva. Like and subscribe for more creative tips.